Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage Google account. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on manage accounts, and as you can see here we've got our previously added Google account. So firstly let me show you how to remove it. All we have to do is simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. We have to verify that it is me in my case, so scan your fingerprint or use the pattern pin or password, whatever you had set. And as you can see, the Google account simply disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed it. Obviously, we can add another one just by tapping on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Tap on it. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.